How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 not launching on Steam. In this video, I'm going to provide you basic troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue if you encounter a problem on your Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 via Steam. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to pull up your file manager and then go into this PC, then go into local disk C, program files 86, hit on the S on your keys or your keyboard, and then choose on Steam. Choose on Steam once again, and then from here, choose on Cached. Now you're gonna have to delete all these files right here inside the cache folders by choosing on the Control keys plus A on your keyboard, and then choose on Delete. Now once you've done this, access your Steam application, and then click on Call of Duty. Right click, go into Properties, and then go into Installs Files, and then choose on Verify Integrity of Game Files so that it will self-repair. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 not launching on Steam.